Hello everyone and welcome to Slats, Cracks, Locks. Today I have for you a master lock padlock number 3. This is the most common master lock with a key that you would buy. If you're going to the store to get a padlock and you buy a master lock and it has a key, you're probably getting a master number 3. Very, very common. This is the one that Master Lock likes to advertise that they can shoot with a bullet, tough under fire, shoot with a bullet, and it won't open. But I'm going to show you the easiest way ever to get into a Master Lock number 3. And that is using a city rake. So this is a city rake from Sparrows. As you can see, it's called a city rake because all these little bumps here kind of look like a city horizon. And this is going to get this lock open pretty quick, I imagine. So how this works is you stick this in the lock, and with this particular rake it works well if you rock it. So you want to kind of rock it up and down, back and forth, while pulsating your tension on the tension wrench in order to pop the pins up into place, and hopefully we can get a quick open here. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the key for this lock, show you guys how this opens. Very nice. Alright. Out of here. Alright, let's get to picking with this city rake and see how quickly we can get this master lock open. Alright, I'm going to put my tension tool here right in the bottom of the keyway. I'm going to stick my city rake in and let's see what happens. Look at that. That is open already. I mean, that was the easiest open I've ever experienced with a lock. Let's do it again. Just to show you guys that this was no fluke, that this rake crushes this lock like you don't even have to try. Okay. Here we go again. It's open again. Alright, so that goes to show you that your most common master lock here, master lock number 3, can be opened with absolute ease using a rake, a city rake. And keep in mind, using rakes does not take a ton of skill. You are not going in there and feeling the pins and pushing up this one then this one and oh, does this feel right? It has absolutely nothing to do with that. You are just attacking the lock with the rake, rocking it back and forth, putting a little bit of tension on your wrench, and hopefully getting a nice open. And that's exactly what happened here twice in a row. Let's do a third time just to be funny, because this is absolutely ridiculous that this lock can open like this. Look at that. That's the third time. You basically just have to stick it in there and move it a little bit, and this guy pops right open. So if you think you're keeping anything secure with this master lock, you're really just keeping honest people. It only keeps somebody who's honest out of your goods. Anyone with a city rake can absolutely pop this guy wide open. Well, anyways, that's all I got for you today. If you got any locks you think you might want to see me pick in the next video, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye everybody. Everyone have a great day.